Hi, this is Dr. Harry. Can vitamin D help to protect us from the coronavirus? Well, two recently published research has linked vitamin D deficiency with increased complications of the coronavirus. So basically what these researchers did was they gathered information from countries affected with the coronavirus. So information was gathered from countries such as Italy and Spain, Norwegian countries, and European countries. What they discovered was that countries that had lower levels of vitamin D seemed to have increased rate of complications and deaths from the coronavirus. But countries with more adequate levels of vitamin D did not. Can you guess which countries were lower in vitamin D? If you guessed the countries without sunshine, such as the Norwegian countries, you would be incorrect. It turns out that the countries with lower levels of vitamin D were sunny countries such as Italy and Spain. Now, the reason for that might be that Norwegian countries, because they do have limited sunlight, tend to supplement their diet with vitamin D and also tend to eat lots of foods such as oily fish that's high in vitamin D already. Now, how could vitamin D possibly be working here? Well, let me give you a little bit of an analogy. So what happens is that when our body gets infected with a virus, our body mounts a response against the virus. And so it's like it recruits all the immune system, and then the immune system starts fighting off the virus. But in doing so, it starts creating a lot of inflammation and just toxic stuff. And this toxic stuff can then go on to damage our lungs, and that's one of the main complications that happens in the coronavirus. Of course, all this toxicity and inflammation can also damage other organs as well. Vitamin D in studies have been shown to reduce some of this inflammation and toxicity. Also, vitamin D in studies has also been shown to enhance our body's own immune system. So here you see that vitamin D seems to be doing two things simultaneously. It's enhancing the immune system while decreasing the toxicity from fighting off infections. So that is a potential way that vitamin D could be working here. Now, keep in mind, though, that this research did not say or come to the conclusion that vitamin D prevents us from getting the virus in the first place, but it does have a significant link with adequate vitamin D level being linked to quicker recovery from the virus. The take-home point is always try to have a balanced diet, try to include vitamin D foods such as fatty fish. If you really hate that, you can supplement with vitamin D. But do not overdo, as vitamin D can be potentially toxic if taken in excess. So if you're getting about 400 international units a day of vitamin D, you're probably having adequate vitamin D intake. If you want to know your vitamin D level, speak to your physician about that, and he or she should be able to check your vitamin D levels. Also, you might feel the urge to go into Mother Nature and get some of the vitamin D levels there as well. But keep in mind, those sunnier countries actually are found to be more vitamin D deficient. So this is Dr. Harry with a quick update on nutrition and our immune system. Until next time, I want you to stay healthy and safe. Bye-bye.